Unfortunately, the water resources are slowly dwindling. We need to counteract the situation and learn to save water.
You're right, Nameless. When we're brushing our teeth, we should always turn off the tap and only turn it on again to rinse.
Next time I'll make sure I have a shower instead in order to save water, I promise, Nameless.
Sorry, Nameless. The next time I wash some fruit, I won't waste so much water.
I'll turn off the water straight away. You're right, Nameless.
I'm not going to waste this, I promise. I'm going to drink it because it's so refreshing. It's time to get going.
Luckily, the Pet Pals travel the world, teaching everyone to respect water. That's why they won the well-deserved medal for Heroes of Water Saving.
You can win this medal too!